Hi, let me show you how to use memory cards with your Samsung Galaxy S25. So as you may notice, this Galaxy S25 does not have an SD card slot, but you can use this SD card reader, which looks like that, with Type-C cable. So just take your SD card, place it in this reader in the position like that, and now simply plug this Type-C cable into your phone, and it will immediately detect your SD card. For that, swipe down from left top corner and you'll see this information: USB storage added. To check files on your SD card, you need to find My Files app, which is usually placed in Samsung folder. Here it is. And now you would need to scroll a bit down and find USB storage 1. Tap it and you'll be able to check all of the files which are placed on your SD card. If you want to move something, then press and hold it. On the bottom, choose to move. And here find your internal storage and find folder to which you want to move this file. And then confirm by tapping move here. And now we just moved file from SD card to phone's storage. And you can do reverse thing, so you can transfer files from your phone to SD card. And if you want to take it out, then go back in your notification center, tap this arrow near message, and choose to unmount. And now you can safely remove your SD card. And that's all for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.